How much money in the case?
Anywhere between 350 and $500,000.
And how much do you need, Val?
We split it 50-50.
No, I mean, how much do you need to, you know, buy your way back? Into the syndicate. How much?
You mean the outfit?
Whatever.
Jesus, you know everything. Hi, sweetie. 130 grand. The beauty of their chows is they won't go to the cops. They keep everything in-house. And they don't feel pain the way we do.
You notice anything about those guys, Val?
They look nasty. Probably all kung fu motherfuckers. Why? Did I miss something?
They weren't wearing their seatbelts. We'll hit them on Friday.
Quý vị thấy rồi mất. Thành chiến.
Looky here.
How's that final taste?
Daddy brought home the bacon, baby. Val! What?
Problem with kicking the chow's ass is an hour later you want to do it again.
$140 grand
140 apiece.
total.
Total? That's what? That's 70 grand? That's not enough.
It's for me. I'm taking the next few months off. Here's the bag, baby.
Yeah, well, I'm up short. 60 short. Fucking slants. Should have hit him Tuesday. Fuck!
We got away clean. And got something to show for it. Always be grateful for what you get. Rule number 1, Val.
Yeah. Yeah. Rule number 1. What? Everything's cool. It's just not enough, all right?
Never is, Val. Hey, baby, just put the money in the car, will you?
Can't fucking believe it. We should... You know what? You know what, Porter? This is funny. This will kill you. It's always 140.